Welcome back guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to prepare the shader editor for photo rendering. So we are going to use the materials that we have made in the last episode so that we could achieve something like this one. So without further ado, let's begin. And the next thing we're going to learn is the node editing so we can make this blade look shiny and metallic and such and such. So I want you to follow the things that I'm about to do in this node editor. So where is that node editor? Just go over this button over here and go to the shader. So this is the node editor. In order for us to have a texture over there. Now let's move that over here because we'll be needing a lot of space for this one. We are going to be needing a lot more like this, so let's shift A and let's put more image. I think we'll be needing two more. Just control C and control V that part. Okay, now this one goes to metallic because that's the part we are supposed to put on. And let's just move this a little bit, and this one let's point it to the roughness. And yeah, we needed another one. I think that will be a normal map, so let's just search normal map. Okay, we're going to put this here, put that color to the strength, and this normal into normal over here. Okay, let's just move this a little bit. Now the next thing we're going to use is I think that's mapping. Yep. Is this the one? Yeah, I guess just put that there. And also texture coordinate. Yeah, we are going to use this both. Put that UV on this vector over here and put this vector to all the vector of the images that we have here. Okay, I guess that's it. We can't see the difference just yet because we haven't placed any materials at the moment. So we are going to put on this what do we call this, metallic. Of course, we are going to open textures, materials, and go for the metallic that we just made earlier. Okay, that doesn't look right. Yeah, I forgot, you have to put the color space to non-color. Yep, that's it as well for this one, but we are going to choose for this one is the edge. Yeah, roughness, edge. Yep, and put that to non-color as well. And this last one, of course, you know what it is, the normal map, non-color as well. Now let's just save this really quick. And let's take a look at if there's any effect on the blade that we have. This is just the blade material. We haven't fixed the other parts yet. Okay. Alright, fast forward a little bit. So I just added a little camera over here so we could see the whole thing, and also some lightings and area lights so we could emphasize the color of the blade and the shyness and all of that metallic part. Anyway, I've done all the same node editing on the other parts of our materials over here and over here, but the only difference is that we change on the blade part, we change that this is supposed to be on the strength, but when you put it on the strength it doesn't look like a blade, so we have to put that in the color and set the blade strength, I mean the normal strength to like 2.3, so we could have this cool looking blade over there. And also for the cloth, we change the metallic part and place that on the specular. And lastly, for the guard and pommel, it's all the same as the first setting that we just made earlier. So we are going to render this now, and let's see how will it turn out. Okay, so this is the final result, guys. I hope you like it. If you like the blade and you like how it turns out, give us a thumbs up. So this will be the last episode for this series, and I hope I was able to teach you something. If you found this series helpful in some way, make sure to give us a thumbs up and share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you when I see you.